Hi Nate, Spencer from Prime Motor Cars Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. We've been emailing back and forth a little bit about the vehicle to my left, and I know you had some questions about the bumpers to the car, so I figured we put together a video tour of this model before you come see it here in person. So, our 2017 Porsche 911 Carrera 4. Beautiful vehicle. This is of course our convertible model here. Beautiful white exterior. We have a nice kind of almost saddle brown interior. We'll take a look at that a little bit further on in the video. So 2017, incredibly low miles. See beautiful projection LED headlights up front. Nice, you know, smooth styling, the round headlights, and then how that body line kind of follows back. Classic from how that 911's been designed from the 70s, and it's kind of progressed into this, you know, very curvy and very sporty styled vehicle here. Up front we have parking sensors, turn indicators, your headlight washers, all up in the front. Nice crest right there in the hood. Like I said, the vehicle's in fantastic condition. We can get a closer shot for you up along the front of that bumper. It is in fantastic shape. You're not seeing any major scratches. You're not seeing you know, anything along the bottom tray or the side of that front bumper. And the same can be said for the wheels. As you look around the edge of the wheels, we're looking for essentially, you know, curb damage, scratches, scrapes. Anything along this rim is where you ordinarily see it happen first. All four of these wheels are in fantastic condition. You can see all the spoke faces look great. This edge here is held strong, nothing curved, nothing scratched or etched into it. And then moving along the side of the vehicle, fuel filler right on the front passenger side. Beautiful look, the first look at that gorgeous interior. Nice contrast to the exterior color there. Again, same with this wheel and with the others. They're all in fantastic condition. Coming along to the rear of the vehicle, we'll get a closer look at this rear end here. Gorgeous. The bumper comes out, looks fantastic. The Carrera 4 has signature styling. For the Carrera 4 and 4S, we see this rear taillight extended all the way across the back of the vehicle. Dual tip exhaust down there on the bottom. Third brake light up top right above your intake for your engine bay. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle. Like I said, in fantastic condition. I wanted to get you a closer look at some of the bumpers here. Let's take a closer look at the interior. Inside the 911, we can take a closer look at the interior and across our dashboard here. So gorgeous. We have this real dark upper dash here. This nice stitching across as a contrast meets up with that almost kind of saddle brown interior. It looks absolutely fabulous. Then we have this wood trim continuing across the dashboard, the shift lever, and also on the steering wheel. So a nice wood trim steering wheel here. Lots of comfort features, things like heated and ventilated seats, dual zone climate control, adjustable sport exhaust and suspension, all of your navigation, Bluetooth multimedia, of course, as expected. We'll take a little tour around the dealership here, give you, the little ins and outs of the vehicle. Nice center clock there. We have beautiful white dials. Really just an absolutely gorgeous vehicle. Like I said, 27,000 miles, low miles on the vehicle, very well maintained. It's in fantastic condition. Automatic lights, you have your automatic wipers, upgraded Bose surround sound system, a lot of nice comfort features as well. But of course, the biggest component to this is the convertible top. Easy to put down and up, and I'll show you right now exactly how to do it. So we'll put the vehicle in neutral here. This little side button here right in the middle, you just pull this up, the windows go down, there's a little roof is opening symbol right there, and it opens up just like so. Folds right back into the rear. You have that kind of cover going back down over to cover the engine and part of that convertible top. Windows go back up, and there we are. Easy enough. So Nate wanted to just put together a quick video tour, show you some of the ins and outs of the vehicle. I know we have an appointment later this week for you to come see it in person, but wanted to put together a video tour, give you a little sneak peek at it. Any questions, I'm happy to answer them for you. You can call me directly on my cell phone, 207-210-5555. 4796. I am available via email as well. My email is sroe, that's SROE, @driveprime.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.